Okay, hi. Yeah. My sister Delaney, she's going to eat cheddar cheese worms and what kind of crickets?
Sour cream and onion.
And sour cream and onion crickets.
Here's a picture.
Here's a take a look.
These are the sour cream and onion crickets. And these are the cheddar cheese larvets.
Okay.
They're
now,
larva worms. And they are fit for human consumption.
Okay, so here's Delaney. She's gonna eat both of them.
I'm gonna get my milk ready.
Yeah. She needs her milk
Got
to
milk?
wash.
I sure do.
Okay.
Alright.
So Mark handed her one. Alright, Mark.
Alright. Here we go.
He actually needed a beer to wash it down.
Not two!
There's two. I'll at least eat a whole one.
No!
Okay, here she goes. Watch closely. There she goes. Here comes the milk. Now the cricket.
It's cricket time. It's cricket time.
Because no one's watching.
Cricket.
Cricket, cricket.
You had to have the head with it?
Now foot off the head. Sour cream and onion.
Yeah.
Better than potato
It's
chips.
good and it's good for you.
Ow. And here comes the milk. Yeah.
And the puke.
So
And now the bathroom!
there she goes to go
There she
puke.
goes.
That was my older sister eating some worms.